Hello again everyone. I have a job order and this is for a Japanese tuna company. This company actually supports the visa, so if you are having a problem with the visa or you need a visa support, this is a good company for you. This is a Japanese tuna company. The job description for this will be packing and shipping, and the working area is in Kotoku, Tokyo. The working hours will be shifting, and the Japanese ability will be conversational Japanese. And the salary starts from 200,000 to 300,000. So if you are willing to apply for this job, and by the way, we are looking for 20s and 30s age for this. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can call our office number at 036-206-8058. We also conduct a job fair interview at our main office in Kanda Station. So if you are willing to attend for that, you can comment down below. And we also have branch office at Nagoya and Osaka. So please let us know if you are going to apply for this job. So again, this is a Japanese tuna company, and the job description is packing and shipping. Thank you very much.